Here we have the final episode of Cooking with Claire.
Birthday special, right?
Yeah.
And a birthday special, indeed.
Yes. Kept that very quiet, so now we're rushing to...
Yeah. Well, I was going to take you girls out for dinner, but I think this is so much better.
There's too much food on board.
Yeah, there is way too much food on board. But I'm never going to be able to buy food as wonderful as what you're producing. Not here.
The blueberry chutney.
Oh my God, Claire. It's so good.
Because the freezer broke down on us, so I had to use all of that.
Yeah, we did. What a sacrifice.
Yeah, terrible for me to be able to have to cook the whole day, really.
Yeah.
Such a hard thing.
Lena over here, just chopping veggies for tonight's meal.
Yes.
And but these Lena and Claire have both been cooking up a storm today, so awesome to watch. Festival of the Nose as well. It's been some wonderful smells coming out of the boat.
Yeah. Carrot cake, banana cake.
Yeah, I know. It's like
A chocolate mousse in the fridge.
mousse. Oh my God.
It's a little jus.
Life is tough on TinTin at the moment. Very, very tough.
Very hard.
Okay, Lena. You've decided to run away from New Zealand and
Yes.
TinTin and myself. Understandably, Bali sounds far more exciting than another crossing to Tonga.
Well, I don't know, but at least it's a bit more a secure option for now, and
Well, it's better than refugee prison.
it's better than being locked in the gulag in the cargo. Yeah, no, it's super sad, and it makes me sad not thinking that it's not going to be passage anymore, but.
You had a decent passage. You had
We had the partial passage.
Yeah, you had like 6 day and a couple of days shakedown, and you did exceptionally well. And you're an awesome sailor, and awesome in the kitchen in like 60 knot gale. You know, making mushroom risotto, which I was pretty fucking impressed. Actually, that was pretty special.
Yeah,
So like who could ask for more than that?
yeah.
Always smiling, always happy, and I enjoyed having you on as part of the crew with the other girls. And I think you're making the right decision. I think you're making the best decision out of the courses of action you have available.
Yeah.
Go to Bali, get drunk. Perfect. And
Go to the nice weather.
yeah, I've enjoyed having you on TinTin.
Yeah,
It's been
it
a
was
pleasure.
as well.
Yeah, absolute pleasure getting to know you. And you're awesome sailor. And nothing bothered you in the conditions, so that was fantastic. We didn't throw you out of the bunk. That's Lena's bunk over there, which she was barely hanging on to sometimes when in the conditions, but she managed to stay in the bunk. And and I maybe one day we will see you again, and you will always be welcome on TinTin as crew. So, thank you. Hi, Claire.
Hi.
Bye, Claire.
Bye. Au revoir.
Au revoir. It's been an absolute pleasure getting to know you, and sad the trip ended the way we did. We left the country. We did a shakedown. We left the country, made it 300 miles towards Tonga, had some engine problems, turned around, came back, and you have been amazing to sail with. Absolute delight. Food was to die for. Cooking with Claire has been a concept which is awesome.
Cooking with the girls.
Yeah, well, I'm cooking with the girls as well, but cooking with Claire also. Super fun, and I've really enjoyed sailing with you.
Thank you. It was, definitely shared.
You were kicking ass in the big seas, as were you. Making sure I got your head, yeah. And so you have been a pleasure to sail with. And sorry I didn't get a proper exit interview. This is like rushed,
So good.
but
Packed and ready
packed.
to go.
And trying to get from Marsden Cove back to Whangarei, which is like this place is in the middle of nowhere. But,
I'll try my luck with hitchhiking.
yeah, you'll be fine. It's New Zealand. Yeah, but again,
Thank you.
yeah, it's been.
I'm really
Yeah, and I look forward to meeting Jordan, and I look forward to seeing your boat.
great.
And
See you soon for sure.
you will.
Yeah, all of you.
Take care.
I'll walk with you too.
You okay?
All right.
Bye, TinTin. Thank you so much for taking care
And
of us.
if I find anything of yours, I will mail it.
Oh, just keep it. Just give it to another crew.
All the baby clothes.
Oh, the baby clothes, yeah.
Yeah, all the stuff for Tonga.
Oh, you put that in here somewhere?
It's in the birthday thing.
You should be keeping the baby clothes. You might need them.
People will need more than I will need them.
Yeah, true. All right. Safe travels.
Bye.